Thank you for clicking on this video. So today in this video I'm going to prepare fish stew, or what we call back there in Ghana as gravy. Alright, and gravy is one of the delicious fish stews that you want to go for. So to begin, I'm using Barracuda fish, and I'm going to marinate this and keep it in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes. The reason why I am keeping it in the fridge is because fish is a little bit dicey when you're dealing with it. So in order not to get a bad smell, I need to keep it in the fridge instead of letting it out. Alright, so this is after 30 minutes and it's perfect and ready to fry. I'm going to add some chopped onions to my oil because I'm going to use the same oil to prepare my gravy. Alright, and I don't need that strong smell from the fish in my oil. It doesn't really make your stew or your gravy feel or taste great. At this point, I'm using fresh tomatoes and also a good quantity of onions. I'm also using habanero pepper. So then I'm going to get this blend with some spices. So for the spices, I have carom seeds, rosemary, and cumin. Alright, so if you're making this at home, you can decide to cut your tomatoes into smaller sizes, or but I always go for a blended tomatoes or ingredients anytime I'm making gravy. Now I am about to take my fish from the oil because it's almost done, and it is important that I bring them out before it gets burnt. So fam, if you're not part of my family at this point, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to turn on bell notification. Anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. So thank you for being part of this family, and thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my videos all the time. Really love you guys. I love Barracuda because it really tastes great. Okay, it's really tastes great. So this is my fried fish, and I am ready to begin my stew. So like I said, I am using the same oil I used to fry my fish. I'm going to add some onions to it and leave it to fry so that I will get that smell from the onion in my oil, which is also very important. Now I'm adding my blended ingredients, and I want to make sure that everything is well incorporated. I mean, with the oil and all that is in my pan. Okay, I want to mix them well. So this is after 5 minutes, and I'm going to add some salt and also something for a great aroma. Then I'm going for bay leaves. After this, I'm going to leave it to simmer. I'm not going to use a high or medium heat over here, but I'm just going to leave it to simmer for some time. So some of the liquids from my tomatoes or my blended ingredients are really drained. It's going down, and you can see the oil coming out. So then I'm going to add some tomato paste. Then I want to make sure that it is mixed well because it has to take the color of my tomato paste. Okay. Oh, perfect. Perfect. So this is after 5 minutes again, and this is how it's looking. So my gravy is almost done. And like my mother always goes when she's making gravies, she will just prepare her stew and pour on the fish after that. But sometimes too, she goes my way. So then I added some seasoning, shrimp powder, and also some curry. So after making everything blend well, all the ingredients are well blended. In my saucepan. So the next thing I'm going to do is to leave it for a while and add my fish. So I'm going to keep my fish, put my fish one after the other. On putting your fish, then you know that your gravy is ready. Okay, so my gravy is ready and done, and you want to know that I chose to go for rice. So my rice is ready, it's already cooked, and so I'm going to add some gravy and sit down and enjoy myself. So thank you for joining me today, fam. I really love you guys. And if you want to try this at home, don't forget, I'll be waiting for your feedback, okay? So if you like what I'm doing, you can watch any other video on this channel. It's free. And if up until now you haven't subscribed already, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to put on bell notification icon. Anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. All right, so you can use this to eat anything you want. Maybe you want to eat bangkung, you want to eat kenke, you want to eat etio, whatever you want to eat with it, or you want to eat myself. So guys, thank you very much for joining me today. Until I come your way again next time, here is Rhema Healthy Way. I love you guys. It's bye.